Hi, Data Protection Excellence Network members and partners. So this week I bring you some exciting updates happening at DPEX Network and some of the content that you might have missed and want to check out. So first, this topic of Tinder Swindler, right? Last week was Valentine's Day and the flurry of all kind of apps and services in dating. And we wanted to highlight that, there are a lot of data being collected by these kind of services. And if you are deploying even apps, not just dating apps, right? But I mean talking about personal data where people are willing to give up that kind of data, what are you handling and how are you doing it as DPOs and whether you have reviews on DPIA in that area, right? Next, for practitioner by practitioners, that's our tagline in DPEX, right? And we are going to cover real world tips for DPOs and CXOs. We continue to do that. So first one we look at is DP trends, right? For two key highlights. Now I did the webinar with two partners, right? Talking about trends of data breach and talking about, standards-based compliance. So this one is about cyber protection, right? I think ahead of the breaches by the banks, right? The phishing they have uncovered. How do you protect yourself and educate your staff? Second thing is that cyber insurance. Did you know that you can get coverage in quite a lot of things? And that was surprising for me. So check out these highlights. We cut it to 6 minutes. Next, we look at the CXO roundtable. Yeah, and this is a hot seat with our DPO answering a question on how do we manage mobile apps that run in the background. So we again cut into short pieces for you to have a look, right? So next one is CXO roundtable. This is performance management, governance and risk, and we have Kevin, our CEO, and then also Charles, who is the ex-CFO of Como Group, and we have Goh Liang Kwang, who was a former Deputy Commissioner of Police and very much involved in risk management. So they're going to have a discussion on Tuesday, 8th of March. So this is a CXO round, so it's good for you to know what is happening at the GRC level and how you can equip yourself. Yeah. Next, did you know that we've been putting a lot of content on our YouTube and our Facebook and LinkedIn? You can be the first to know. And if you look at the content, this is something that on YouTube, you go to Straits Interactive, you can click subscribe and notify, then you come out immediately once we post it up, or go to our DPEX network, right? So those are one way for you to get updates pretty quickly and you get notified. Next, at the DPEX itself, it's not about us just alone. It's about you, right? And we would love to hear interesting experience that you have, or whether it's actually your work or certain situations that you came across. And if you have solutions in those areas, some of you are consultants or maybe solution partners, let us know. The point is that we like for collaboration and also participation, right? Remember, that's how the ecosystem become stronger, right? And each of us actually see it in terms of value and how we can help one another, right? So if you go to DPEX Network, we've had webinars like that before. So there'll be more coming up, right? Go check out DPEX Network itself. Next, we have the waitlist open, right? DP e-learning in terms of staff that you can deploy. There are limited slots, so by all means, look at the link in the description and then sign up for it. And we will be filtering, the first batch, second wave, and all that. We are currently doing with key customer and partners for our first wave, right? So we'll be opening the second wave soon. Okay, so that is the e-learning side of things. Finally, I'd like to invite you, right? Do you find this useful? And if so, let me know. And if there's anything else you'd like to know, right? Maybe certain use cases or certain topics. We had requests last time about GDPR, PIPL, and we mount webinars with guest speakers as well on it. And we would love to discuss more with you. If any of you want to contribute content, or if you certain challenges that you would like us to address, we're happy to do that. So be part of the Data Protection Excellence Network and take advantage of it by participating or contributing, right? There are going to be exciting updates coming. We have some interesting tools coming out to help you. So I look forward, right, to meet some of you maybe physically when we open. Meantime, do participate in the ecosystem, and we hope to see you either in our forum or in our socials, and we're happy to engage with you there. Thanks.